Hi, I'm Liza Slavin from Intera Advisory, and today I'm going to show you how to let recruiters know you are open to a new position. So to start, you're going to click into your profile, and right below your headline, you'll see this Open To button. If you click that, you'll have an option to click Finding a New Job, share that you're hiring to attract qualified candidates, or showcase services that you offer for new clients to discover you. Today, we're just going to talk about finding a new job. So you'll go ahead and click. And this is where you'll want to get very specific about your job preferences. The more details that you give in the open to work allows recruiters to really only send specific jobs that you fit the criteria for what you're looking for based off of your job preferences. When you only fill out a couple or you're not really specific, you're open to recruiters reaching out to you about jobs that you may not be interested in. So you'll come down to job titles and you can add directly what you're looking for. So you can do marketing specialist. They have all of the titles on here. On-site, hybrid, or remote. You'll want to make sure that this is clicked to what you're looking for. If you only want to be remote, I would click both of these off and only have remote on there. Job locations, if you're going in, you're going to want to put your location on here. You're going to want to get specific in your location as well. DC, Baltimore area, that's my general location. If I was applying for a job, I would get very specific into the exact area I wanted to commute from. You'll see then down here you have start date. So this is immediately, actively applying, or flexible, I'm casually browsing. 70% of the global workforce is passive talent, so people who are just casually browsing. If you are immediately and actively applying and you are looking to start a new job as soon as possible, go ahead and put that immediately on there. However, if you are comfortable, not just want to change jobs within the year or so, you can go ahead and click the flexible. And then the last option is the job type you're looking for, whether it's full-time, contract, part-time, so on and so forth. This bottom part, choose who sees you're open, is probably the most important preference on here, because if you are still at your current role and you don't want them to know you're looking yet, you're going to want to make sure that you put recruiters only. This is only people who have access to LinkedIn Recruiter are able to see that you are open to work. LinkedIn does their best to make sure that anybody at your current company, even if they have LinkedIn Recruiter, is unable to see that you are open to work. They can't guarantee complete privacy, but they do a very, very good job of remaining diligent in making sure that they're not alerting people who are currently listed in your company to be able to see your job preferences. If you are actively applying, maybe you took some time off of work and now you're ready for a new job, this is all LinkedIn members. So this is everybody will be able to see it, including if you were currently at a company. It does also add a green banner to your profile photo that says #open-to-work. So you're just going to want to be careful about who sees you're open, again, depending on where you are in your job search. Once you've filled out all your job preferences, you're going to click Add to Profile. And you'll see that you have open to work down here. So you can continue to come in here and edit it to make sure that it's constantly staying up to date if you decide to change any of your preferences. And then once you have a new job, you can go ahead and click Delete from Profile in the left-hand corner. And that is how you update your open to work preferences. It's a really great tool, again, to let recruiters know that you are open. This is exactly what you're looking for. This is where you want to commute from, so on and so forth. And even if, again, you're just looking to change jobs in the next year or so, it's nice to just continue to look at some positions that might be a good fit for you. Thanks for watching.